Let's add audio sound muffle effect in Premiere Pro. I'm just playing my current music. So this is my current music looks like. Now go to effects and search here equalizer and add this parametric equalizer effect to your music or audio clip. And after selecting the audio clip, go to effect controls and here just click on edit next to custom setup and here click on preset drop down and select generic low pass. Now here you'll find a dot under H. Just click on this dot and you have to make your sound look like this. Now just hit enter on your keyboard and your music will start to play. Now you can adjust this H dot and you can adjust your muffle sound effect. Once you're happy, just close this and that's it.